Hello guys, this is my first video. I am walking at Molten Falls Park in Washington. This is a 5-mile walk, probably do all of it. The sky is covered in smoke. You can see the sun is like orange. Hopefully we can breathe while we're walking. It doesn't smell too bad actually, it smells pretty good out here. Like nature. Wow. Look at this. Look at this. Look at this insane tree. Look. Oh my gosh, bro. Wow. What a tree. Compared to the one that's at my place, this is insane compared to... This is crazy. Dang. Look at that. That's really cool. This species of mushroom feeds off of dead wood, just so you know. Hello guys.
How are you?
This is Aviv.
Hi.
This is Joey. This is my mom.
Hi.
And this is my youngest brother, Jasper.
We got some cookies.
Eating some delicious cookies.
Yep.
You guys excited for this nice walk?
Sure. 5 miles. Yeah. Sure.
Nice. Abby, what are you doing? I know, it's okay. He'll know where we are. This is it. And I found a... Oh, yeah. I found a shrimp. This is it. Dipped our feet in and it felt so good. Our feet were burning. Walking for so long. It goes down there somewhere. Blackberry bush.
What? Blackberry? Look, Gabe. Even blackberries.
Yep. Sounds of water are so soothing. Okay, I think we're gonna go across this bridge, possibly. And also, I make dioramas out of the things I find in the forest. So, like, this moss, I could easily take a nice clump and use it for something, you know? I could take it, but I don't need it. That's a lot of moss growing all over that tree. I'm gonna go across this bridge. The creek is right down here. It goes down. Poisonous caterpillar?
Look, a caterpillar. It might be poisonous.
Oh, so cute.
It might be poisonous. And there's another one.
What?
It looks like a baby gecko.
Wait, what? Look.
A weird looking.
My brother just found this.
And another one?
Wait.
Is that your caterpillar?
What?
How much caterpillars live
What
here?
the heck?
How much caterpillars live
Wait.
here? How much bugs live here?
We have that. We have
that. And we have
look,
that.
we have this. That.
And that. Mama, look at these.
Guys, look at this. There's 4 different caterpillars just literally resting here.
Mama, like one over here.
Look.
Yep. One caterpillar here, Joey.
Look.
Another one there.
Right here, look.
Two.
Look.
That's a danger sign. It's got a spike, dude.
4.
Wow.
Oh my God,
Oh,
look.
they're all different.
Exactly. That one's not poisonous. Yeah, it is.
That one might be scary. It's got a hook. Anything that
It's
looks like a
intimidating. It's intimidating, but it's not gonna do
poke
anything.
that into your body.
No.
Oh, can I hold that thing?
This is probably a moth caterpillar.
I got to walk in that
Gabe,
river
how do you know
and
it's not
eat
gonna
some
poke you?
blackberries.
Because they don't. Caterpillars don't poke people.
Okay, I think that's poisonous or venomous. Oh my God. Yeah, can you hold that one?
No, leave them all.
I want to touch it.
Touch it, but let's not take them. Let's leave them here. That's so cool. There's this one.
Come on.
Teeny.
On me.
Then there's this.
Oh my God. Oh, I thought it was
That's a nice one. And then
that
this.
big one. A caterpillar that looks like a kind
that
of
is
leaf.
so cool. What? Look at that. Aviv loves to do things on camera. So anyway, I was talking before. I was saying that we are explorers. We love to explore. Like, you can't even describe how much all of us love exploring. When we move on to our next life, we can explore this planet again or another planet, any other planet we want. It's up to us. We get to choose if we want to explore here, which I think I would explore here again if I die too soon. I will explore this planet again because I'm not done. So when you're in the nature, try to soak up every little bit of it. You're exploring a planet with its own inhabitants and plants. Just take a look around. It's amazing. Even with a smoky sky, I feel at home in the forest all the time. Specifically, the darker forests, the ones with pine trees that have branches covered in moss. If they're dark too, like if there's not much light, that's where I feel at home mostly. My family, especially my mom and my dad, they're so passionate about this stuff, about everything. Sorry if you guys don't like my shorts that much, but yeah. I was doing them a couple months ago, but I've changed actually a lot in the last couple months, so I'm gonna come back. I'm gonna make different shorts. Oh wow.
Wow.
Look how long that branch goes.
Oh my God.
That's a really long branch. This goes really far. I'm carrying a backpack. That's probably 10 pounds of like waters. It's a family of 6. You know, you need lots of waters, plus a couple apples. Still walking, probably only half a mile out of the 5 miles. Good progress. That's terrible. I'm just kidding. Half a mile out of 5. I'm totally out of my mind. See, I'm already going mentally crazy, and we just started. No, I'm just kidding again. Jasper is so fussy. My youngest one right there. He's such a whiny one. So fussy, seriously. And I tell you, 4 is the worst age. You say terrible 2s? Nope, not terrible 2s. It's terrible 4s. Guys, look. Look, it's just hiding in the... Bruh. What does it look like under? I can't see, but you guys can see it for me. It's white. Oh my... Bro, it's just hiding and they're growing like nuts. Papa, are you testing your strength?
Oh no, I'm testing how if my elbows still exist.
Trying to loosen up those old joints of yours. Getting ready for combat. Is that a pathway over there? Oh, it is a path.
Oh, trees.
Wait, that
it ruined the bench. It fell on the bench.
Oh no.
Oh my god.
An old tree fell. You can see how it crumbled up. Look.
It fell all over here.
Look, the bench broke. Look. The bench broke. The seat is removed.
Hit it, stop. Make left now.
I'm afraid that something might
Tribe over here hammering their drums. Oh, and he broke his drumstick. Just so you know, I'm not going to be only posting videos of trails, but I am going to be posting probably almost every time we go on a hike or trail. I'm going to be recording. But I'm not only going to be doing these kind of videos. I'm going to be doing like I play Fortnite, I play Minecraft, Roblox. So I'll be making videos about that stuff too. It'll be nice to have company like with you guys. You know, share my journeys with you. Gonna grow up with you guys. You know, it's gonna be awesome. We're gonna create a nice bond between each other. I can feel it. My little brother is going to teach me how to edit, and I'm gonna edit this video with him, and I'm going to post it. Oh, there you are.
Yeah, this is the most. Yeah, this is a dumbbell that the weakest person in the world can use.
A dumbbell the weakest person in the world can use? Oh, that's funny.
There you go.
Wow.
You can walk here.
You actually found out.
People can walk.
What the freak? Wow. Yeah, it's getting dark-ish, kind of. We are heading back. It was fun. We did like, this in total, when we get back, will be like 5-mile hike. I'm tired. My toes hurt. I have really bad shoes. Trying to catch up to the pack. See, the pack is ahead of us. But I don't want to hurt my toes. Man, Jasper did so good. He walked the farthest he's ever walked by himself. Feels awesome. Found some more diorama objects. Things to, you know, natural substances for dioramas. So, yeah. And, yeah, look at the sky. That is weird, bro. It's like a pinkish, it's like a peach color almost. But it's turning gray. There's Jasper. You did so good on the walk today. You walked so far by yourself, and we're only carried a little bit. That's so good. You're gonna be sore and get stronger after that. Yeah. Yeah. Whoa, whoa.
Make it so close.
Make it so close.
Yeah.
Okay, don't touch it. Hello. We're back at the railroads again, it seems, so we're pretty dang close, like half a mile left. Back at the train tracks, only like half a mile left. Huh? I am genuinely tired. You know, if you could like and subscribe on this video, I would be so happy. Like, seriously. That's like the only thing I want from in the world right now, is to have a like and subscribe from you guys. It means so much to me. I'm a growing channel. I don't have much right now, but I will have a lot, okay? I'm gonna be good someday. Oh man, I'm far away from the rest. Oh my god. Hi. I am very far away from everybody. Goodness, oh no, my battery's gonna die.